A Gothic garden is a moody, dramatic space inspired by dark romance, old ruins, and mysterious beauty. Think shadowy corners, black or deep purple plants, climbing vines, and eerie statues. It's not about bright colors, it's about atmosphere. Gothic gardens blend nature with mystery, creating a space that feels timeless, haunting, and beautiful. Dark foliage plants. These add depth and richness to the garden's palette. Black mondo grass, deep purple black blades, great ground cover. Heuchera obsidian, glossy near black leaves, thrives in partial shade. Purple shamrock, striking triangular leaves, delicate flowers. Coleus, bold leaf shapes in deep burgundy and black. Shade-loving plants, perfect for creating cool, secluded corners. Ferns, lacy textures soften stone or iron features. Hostas, broad, sculptural leaves, good under trees. Bleeding heart, heart-shaped blooms with a Gothic flair. Astilbe, feathery plumes, thrives in shady, moist spots. Dramatic flowering plants, add bold splashes of color and height. Black tulips, deep maroon to black hues, elegant and haunting. Dark roses, rich velvety blooms, classic Gothic vibe. Hollyhocks, dark varieties, tall and statuesque, great for back borders. Bat flower, rare, exotic, and striking. Climbing and trailing plants, create an overgrown, mysterious atmosphere. English ivy, evergreen, climbs walls and trellises easily. Morning glory, deep-colored blooms, perfect on arches. Clematis romantica, almost black petals, stunning climber. Wisteria, purple varieties, cascading blooms on pergolas or walls. Wrought iron details, think black iron gates, trellises, and fences. They add elegance and a slightly eerie, antique feel. Stone statues and sculptures. Gothic angels, gargoyles, or classical busts create atmosphere and focal points. Mysterious pathways. Curved paths that disappear behind tall plants or hedges encourage exploration and mystery. Arches and trellises. Gothic-style arches covered in climbing roses instantly create drama and structure. Water features. Small fountains or still ponds reflect moonlight and add a sense of quiet melancholy.